Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight to the Video Manager and selecting the video you want to change. Make sure the file upload shows 100% so metadata edits save correctly. Once there, click Edit or Details to open the thumbnail section. This is where you'll replace or upload an image. You should have a high-resolution image prepared, 1280 by 720 pixels and under 2 MB, because platforms prefer specific dimensions and formats. This prevents automatic cropping or upload rejections during the next steps. Now upload the image or pick one of the platform's automatic snapshots. Clicking Upload Thumbnail opens the file browser so you can select your prepared image. After selecting, use the Preview Crop tool to reposition key elements. Faces and text should remain visible within a 16:9 frame. If the editor asks for a file name or alt text, add a concise, descriptive name to improve searchability and accessibility, because good metadata helps viewers and algorithms understand what your thumbnail represents. Finish by clicking Save or Publish and wait for the platform to confirm the change. Some sites process thumbnails separately, so allow a minute or two. Then verify the new image appears on the video page and on a mobile preview to ensure important details aren't cropped on small screens. If the thumbnail doesn't update, clear your browser cache, re-upload with a slightly different file name, and confirm the image meets content and size policies. These are common reasons platforms block or revert thumbnails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.